What's buzzing in tech? The future is unfolding at warp speed, and you're about to get the inside scoop. From IPOs shaking up Wall Street to earbuds packing AI power, we're diving deep into the innovations that are redefining our digital lives. Get ready for a rapid-fire update that you absolutely cannot afford to miss. First up, a crypto giant makes its move to go public. Then, we've got earbuds that are putting powerful AI right into your ears. We'll also look at the broader market impact of these crypto plays and explore some altcoins that could be your next big win. Stay locked in, this is ChatGPT Insights. Gemini's public debut, a new era for crypto on Wall Street. Gemini, the cryptocurrency exchange founded by the renowned Winklevoss twins, has officially filed its intention to conduct an initial public offering, IPO, in New York. This significant move marks a pivotal moment for the digital asset industry as it continues to integrate with traditional financial markets. The exchange, whose name Gemini, meaning twin, reflects its founders, submitted its IPO paperwork to the US Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, following a confidential announcement earlier this year. This filing signals Gemini's readiness to navigate the complexities of public trading and seek capital from a broader investor base. Digging into the financials revealed in Gemini's S1 filing, the company reported a substantial revenue increase of 45% in 2024, reaching $142.2 million. However, the exchange is not yet profitable, posting a net loss of $158.5 million last year. The first half of 2025 saw a slight dip in revenue, down 7.6% to $68.6 million, while the net loss widened to $282.5 million. Despite these losses, Gemini has demonstrated user growth, with 523,000 monthly transacting users, a 5.7% increase year-over-year. Trading volume on its platform surged by 50% to $24.8 billion in the first half of 2025, and assets under management grew by over 30% to $18.2 billion. These metrics underscore the exchange's expanding operational scale and user engagement. Wall Street analysts are forecasting that Gemini could raise approximately $400 million from its upcoming stock sale, although the exact date and size of the IPO are yet to be announced. Gemini has chosen the Nasdaq exchange for its listing, planning to trade under the ticker symbol GEMI. The decision to go public places Gemini in the company of other crypto firms testing the IPO waters. Stablecoin issuer Circle Internet Group and crypto firm Bullish have recently made their public debuts, indicating a growing trend of digital asset companies seeking mainstream financial recognition. Gemini's offerings extend beyond its core exchange services, including a Bitcoin credit card in partnership with MasterCard. The Winklevoss twins, famously known for their involvement in the founding story of Facebook, have leveraged their early investments in Bitcoin into a substantial fortune, solidifying their status as prominent figures in the cryptocurrency space. The performance of Bitcoin itself remains a key indicator for the market. Over the last 12 weeks, BTC has seen a notable increase of 11.43%, reflecting broader market sentiment. User impact. The market is keenly watching Gemini's IPO, anticipating it to be a significant indicator of investor appetite for crypto-related equities amidst a recovering US market. Analysts are particularly interested in how Gemini's valuation will compare to its previous private funding round, where it was valued at $7.1 billion. This IPO is a massive step, but what if you could get cutting-edge AI tech without breaking the bank? Next up, we're putting powerful AI in your ears with new earbuds that are set to challenge the status quo. AI in your ears. Samsung's Gemini-powered earbuds disrupt the market. Forget the latest upgrades from Apple. Samsung is making waves with its new Galaxy Buds3 FE, integrating advanced AI features like Gemini and live translation for a surprisingly accessible price point of $149. This move directly challenges Apple's premium offerings, including the AirPods Pro 2, by delivering comparable, if not superior, technology at a significantly lower cost. The timing is particularly notable as Apple is still working on its promised Siri upgrades, expected in 2026, giving Samsung a clear competitive edge in the immediate market. The Galaxy Buds 3 FE share a design aesthetic with their more expensive counterparts, the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, featuring a similar shape and a distinctive clear lid charging case. Available in classic black and gray, these earbuds offer a compelling blend of style and substance. Key features include 360 audio, Samsung's spatial audio technology, which creates an immersive sound experience by making audio appear to emanate from all directions. They also boast improved active noise cancellation, ANC, compared to previous models, ensuring a more focused listening experience even in noisy environments. For communication, the earbuds incorporate a machine learning model designed to enhance call quality by isolating the user's voice, ensuring clarity even amidst significant background noise, a crucial feature for professionals and everyday users alike. Samsung promises a rich, powerful sound profile with deep bass and clear treble, though independent testing will be required to validate these claims fully. The headline features, however, are the AI integrations. The earbuds support Gemini, allowing users to access Google's AI assistant directly through voice commands without needing to interact with their phone. This means users can initiate tasks like starting a workout or getting information simply by speaking. Perhaps more groundbreaking is the live, conversational translation capability. This feature enables real-time translation during conversations with individuals speaking different languages, effectively breaking down communication barriers. This is a capability that has been rumored for future Apple products, making its inclusion in a budget-friendly Samsung device particularly noteworthy and potentially game-changing for global communication. In terms of battery life, the Buds 3 FE offers 6 hours of playback with ANC enabled, and the charging case provides an additional 24 hours, totaling 30 hours of listening time. While not industry-leading, this is competitive for the price point. Connectivity is handled by Bluetooth 5.4, supporting AAC and SBC codecs, though the absence of higher fidelity codecs like LDAC or aptX is a minor drawback. For durability, the earbuds feature an IP54 water resistance rating, making them suitable for workouts and light rain, though perhaps not for intense athletic activities where higher water resistance is preferred. User impact. Early reactions suggest that the Galaxy Buds 3 FE are positioned to be a significant disruptor in the hearables market, offering advanced AI features at a price point that makes them accessible to a much wider audience. Industry analysts are noting this as a strategic move by Samsung to capture market share from competitors by prioritizing AI integration and affordability. These AI-packed earbuds are impressive, but how are crypto exchanges preparing for the spotlight of the public market? We're looking at the broader financial implications and which altcoins might benefit. Gemini's IPO push, $75 M Ripple credit line and altcoin opportunities. Gemini's strategic preparations for its upcoming initial public offering, IPO, are intensifying, highlighted by the securing of a $75 million credit line from Ripple, with an option to extend it to $150 million. This financial maneuver is designed to bolster liquidity and reinforce confidence as the crypto exchange gears up for its Wall Street debut. Gemini is following a path well-trodden by its peers, with Coinbase and Bullish having already made successful entries into the public market. These previous IPOs have historically catalyzed increased adoption and investor optimism within the broader cryptocurrency ecosystem. The significance of IPOs in the crypto space extends beyond mere capital raising. They bring enhanced transparency and mainstream visibility to the sector. This environment often creates favorable conditions for altcoins, with analysts pointing to tokens like BEST and Hyper as potentially poised to capitalize on the momentum generated by these listings. Gemini's $75 million credit line from Ripple, which could potentially utilize Ripple's stablecoin, RLUSD, as a borrowing currency, provides a crucial liquidity buffer. This strategy mirrors Coinbase's approach of strengthening its financial reserves prior to its public offering. Such actions underscore a maturing industry where exchanges are increasingly adopting Wall Street-grade practices, prioritizing liquidity, regulatory compliance, and investor perception alongside trading volumes. Coinbase's 2021 IPO was a landmark event, effectively bridging the gap between cryptocurrencies and traditional equity markets. Its subsequent inclusion in the S&P 500 further cemented digital assets as a legitimate component of institutional investment strategies. More recently, Bullish's IPO in August 2025, which saw its shares more than double on debut and achieve a valuation exceeding $13 billion, reinforced the positive impact of public listings on market confidence, liquidity, and accessibility. These historical precedents suggest that Gemini's IPO could trigger a similar wave of interest and investment across the crypto market. Furthermore, market history indicates a tendency for retail traders to shift focus from established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, to smaller-cap altcoins during periods of high market excitement, seeking greater upside potential. In light of the anticipated IPO momentum and increasing blockchain activity, several altcoins are drawing attention. Best Wallet Best is positioning itself as a next-generation Web3 hub, aiming to replace traditional wallet applications with a more secure and user-friendly interface. Powered by Fireblocks MPC technology, it enhances security and offers tools like upcoming tokens to streamline presale access and mitigate risks from scams. The Best token itself is integral to the ecosystem, offering benefits such as reduced transaction fees, early access to presales, high staking yields, around 90% APY, and governance rights. The project's roadmap includes the upcoming Best Card, a crypto debit card that integrates with Best Wallet, offering cashback rewards and reduced fees for Best stakers. Bitcoin Hyper addresses Bitcoin's limitations in speed and transaction costs by building a Layer 2 ecosystem on top of Bitcoin. Utilizing the Solana virtual machine, it aims to enable near-instant, low-cost transactions while retaining settlement finality on Bitcoin's Layer 1. Its canonical bridge facilitates seamless asset movement between layers, allowing DeFi, meme coins, and dApps to operate natively on Bitcoin. The Hyper presale has already garnered significant interest, raising over $10.3 million, with tokens priced competitively and offering substantial staking yields, up to 105% APY. By transforming Bitcoin into an active ecosystem, Hyper appeals to both institutional scalability narratives and retail meme culture. User impact. Industry observers note that Gemini's IPO, coupled with its financial arrangements, signals a maturing crypto market. The potential uplift for altcoins like Best and Hyper is a key discussion point among traders and investors looking for the next wave of growth. Gemini's IPO is certainly making waves, but what about the underlying technology that makes these transactions possible? We're diving into a project that's revolutionizing Bitcoin's speed and cost. Bitcoin Hyper, revolutionizing Bitcoin's speed and scalability. Bitcoin Hyper is emerging as a significant player aiming to address Bitcoin's inherent limitations in transaction speed and cost. By constructing a Layer 2 ecosystem directly on top of the Bitcoin blockchain and leveraging the Solana virtual machine, SVM, Bitcoin Hyper is engineered to deliver near-instantaneous and low-cost transactions. Crucially, it maintains the security and finality of Bitcoin's Layer 1 for all settlements, combining the robust security of Bitcoin with the efficiency of modern blockchain solutions. This innovative approach allows decentralized finance, DeFi applications, meme coins, and other decentralized applications, dApps, to operate natively on the Bitcoin network for the first time, unlocking new possibilities for the world's first cryptocurrency. A core component of the Bitcoin Hyper ecosystem is its fully trustless canonical bridge. This technology enables seamless and secure asset transfers between Bitcoin's Layer 1 and its Layer 2 solution. This interoperability is not limited to Bitcoin. The project also plans cross-chain functionality with major networks like Ethereum, ETH, and Solana, Sol from its launch. This forward-thinking strategy aims to foster greater liquidity and interoperability across different blockchain ecosystems, breaking down existing silos. The Hyper token presale has already demonstrated strong market interest, raising over $10.3 million, with tokens currently priced at 0.012745. Investors are further incentivized by staking yields as high as 105% APY, reflecting the project's potential and the demand for innovative Bitcoin solutions. Bitcoin Hyper's strategy is multifaceted, aiming to transform Bitcoin from a passive store of value into an active, programmable ecosystem. This dual appeal targets both institutional investors seeking scalable solutions and retail participants drawn to the vibrant meme coin culture. By bridging these two worlds, Hyper positions itself uniquely in the current market landscape. The project's roadmap includes further developments designed to enhance the utility and adoption of its platform. The integration with the Solana virtual machine is particularly noteworthy, as it allows developers familiar with the SVM to build on Bitcoin with greater ease, potentially accelerating the growth of the Bitcoin Layer 2 ecosystem. In parallel, the broader crypto market is experiencing renewed interest, partly fueled by the IPO activities of exchanges like Gemini, Coinbase, and Bullish. These events are historically correlated with increased attention and capital inflow into the crypto space, often benefiting altcoins. Projects like Best Wallet Best, which focuses on improving Web3 wallet user experience and security through technologies like Fireblocks MPC, are also gaining traction. The Best token underpins its ecosystem, offering benefits like reduced fees, early access to presales, and high staking yields. The upcoming Best card aims to further integrate crypto into daily life by offering a crypto debit card with rewards. Solana, Sol, itself, continues to be a benchmark for blockchain scalability and commercial viability. With a market capitalization around $98 billion and trading at approximately $180, Solana has consistently led in network revenue, processing an impressive 107,000 transactions per second on its mainnet in a recent test. Despite market volatility, Sol has shown significant year-over-year growth, supported by a thriving ecosystem of DeFi, NFTs, and meme coins. Institutional interest in Solana is also growing, driven by ETF speculation and enterprise partnerships. After overcoming past network reliability issues, Solana has emerged with stronger infrastructure and a highly active developer community, positioning it well to handle increased demand and scrutiny, especially as IPOs bring more mainstream attention to the crypto sector. User impact. The development of Layer 2 solutions like Bitcoin Hyper is seen as crucial for unlocking Bitcoin's potential beyond just a store of value, with Hyper specifically generating buzz for its speed and cost-saving innovations. We've covered IPOs, AI earbuds, and Bitcoin scaling. Now, let's wrap it all up with a quick recap of the biggest stories and tell you what's next. And that's a wrap on today's Tech Deep Dive. Gemini is making its move with a $400 million IPO. Samsung's new earbuds are packing Gemini AI for just $149, and Bitcoin Hyper is tackling Bitcoin's speed issues with its Layer 2 solution. Don't miss out on any of the action. Hit that like button, subscribe to ChatGPT Insights for your daily dose of tech innovation, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Follow us on all social platforms to keep the conversation going. We'll see you in the next one.